Hello, my name is Heather Price. I'm a registered nurse at Miami Valley Hospital in Dayton, Ohio, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about Planned Parenthood and how it's had an impact in my community. So Planned Parenthood is known by some people as a provider of abortion services. However, only 3% of the services that they provide are abortions. They offer comprehensive healthcare services to many people in my community and throughout the world. So how many of you are actually familiar with Planned Parenthood? Did you know that there are over 650 Planned Parenthood healthcare facilities in the United States? And in my community, there are several in the greater Cincinnati, Dayton, and Springfield region. Each Planned Parenthood offers comprehensive healthcare services and referrals for services that they don't perform in their offices, such as abortions or services for lesbian, transgendered, gay, bisexual, and queer individuals. Planned Parenthood sees nearly 2.5 million people annually across the country for healthcare services. Planned Parenthood of Southwest Ohio, which includes my region, saw 39,228 patients in 2015, according to Planned Parenthood's annual report. 48% of those patients used Medicaid, 37% of those patients were self-pay, and 15% used commercial insurance. That is also according to their annual report from 2015. Education services were provided to 1,960 patients, with 11,760 hours of education given in 2015. They offered 180 community-based testing events where 1,143 HIV tests were performed. 115,000 condoms were distributed through centers and education programs in the greater Cincinnati, Dayton, and Springfield region, according to their annual report. Now, Planned Parenthood in Dayton, Ohio, where I live, offers services for anyone in my community, insured, uninsured, low income. They're all welcome at Planned Parenthood. However, as previously stated, most of the people that utilize their services are low income, or they have state insurance, or they have no insurance at all. Planned Parenthood offers men's health care services, women's health care services, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgendered, queer individuals services, or LGBTQI services, birth control services, abortion referrals. They do not provide abortion services in my facility. General health care services, STD, or sexually transmitted disease testing, treatment, and vaccines, pregnancy testing and services, and the morning after pill, also known as emergency contraception. Now, for men's healthcare services, they offer checkups for reproductive sexual health problems. Women's healthcare services, they offer checkups for reproductive sexual health problems, breast exams, cervical cancer screening, colposcopies, hormone replacement therapy, and mammogram referrals. Menopause and midlife testing and treatment, Pap tests, urinary tract infection testing and treatment, vaginal infection testing and treatment, and a variety of other things that the doctor that they see would recommend. For LGBTQI services, they offer many resources and referrals for services that those individuals may need. There's not very many places in the Dayton area that offer this kind of service. For birth control services, they offer implants, patches, pills, shots, vaginal rings, cervical caps, condoms and female condoms, the fertility awareness method, which also is referred to as natural family planning, and IUDs. For abortion referrals, this office does not provide abortion services, but can give referrals to providers that do offer them in our area. For general health care services, they offer anemia testing, hypertension screenings, pregnancy planning, smoking cessation, and thyroid screenings. For sexually transmitted disease testing, treatment, and vaccines, they do HIV testing, education, and referrals. They test for bacterial vaginosis and offer treatment for that. chlamydia, genital warts, gonorrhea, herpes, trichomoniasis. They offer testing and treatment for all of those things. They also offer STD prevention and education for as far as condoms and female condoms, human papillomavirus vaccines, and STD or safer sex education. They also offer pregnancy testing and services in their facility. They offer pregnancy testing, abortion referrals, adoption referrals, fertility awareness education, pregnancy planning services, and they have trained staff to discuss your options if you are pregnant. The morning after pill or emergency contraception, they offer emergency contraception, pregnancy testing, and rape crisis counseling and referrals. So Planned Parenthood of Southwest Ohio offers so many important resources and healthcare services to my community. A lot of people that are low income or no income would not be able to receive treatment in a timely manner if it wasn't for Planned Parenthood, because they offer services on a walk-in basis, and a lot of the places, a lot of doctors' offices or other clinics in our area do not offer walk-in services. So Planned Parenthood has helped my community by doing that. By offering men's healthcare services, women's healthcare services, LGBTQI services, birth control services, abortion referrals, general healthcare services, STD testing, treatment, vaccines, pregnancy testing and services, and the morning after pill, which would not be available to a lot of people in my community if Planned Parenthood wasn't here. So if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them, and I've enjoyed talking with you today. Thank you.